Hi friends, Nirav here. So after a long time, I am doing a review of a smartphone. Generally, I never used to do a review of smartphone on my this channel. Basically, I used to do unboxings. I never do reviews. Finally, I give my verdict to my viewers. But this time, I am doing a review of a smartphone. Actually, guys, what happened? I recently purchased this Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. But at that time, I was not having another mobile to get my primary driver. I had purchased it in exchange offer, so I had provided my smartphone to Amazon guy, and finally they had exchanged. They had provided me Samsung Galaxy M51. So at that time I did unboxing of it, and I had started using it as my primary driver. So I was not having some another mobile, so that I can switch it to that, and I can provide you unboxing of it. But guys, generally I never used to suggest to purchase Sam mobiles, because later after purchase of 2 or 3 months this smartphone starts hanging, battery backup issues, and a lot many problems you need to face with Samsung mobiles. But this time Samsung had take a step ahead. This time they provide a good processor, this time they provide a better battery backup, a big display, and many more to speak about this. So before we dive into this video, let me tell you, for changing a smartphone for me is just like changing a clothes. Really guys, since 2008 to 2020 I had changed so many smartphones, and this is my 18th smartphone. Apart from smartphones, I use many feature phone also. So how frequently I change my mobile, it is not a headache for me, because I used to make all my data in Google Drive and Google Photos, so my backup is already there. So I frequently used to change my mobiles even when. So how I used to change my mobiles, so there's a secret behind that. I'll tell you. Generally, what I use to, I purchase a smartphone and I use it for 2 to 3 months and for testing purpose. And after that, if I think that okay, I explore all those features of this smartphone, then I decide now I will sell it, and I sell that smartphone on Cashify.com. Cashify is also a good site. It is providing a good resale value of your smartphone. So I'm providing you a link in a description column. Go and check it out. You will get a definitely good deal on your old smartphone, so you can buy it new. So this time I'll tell you, in October 2019 I had purchased Mi A3. I had used it for 4 months, then I provided to my mom, and later on in January 2020 I had purchased Oppo F15. I had used it for 3 months, and then I provided to my little brother, and after that I had purchased Realme 6 Pro and I had sold it, and now I had switched to Samsung Galaxy M51. So really I am very obsessed about this smartphone. When Amazon started leaking all those complete details of this smartphone on their landing page on Amazon, first of all they started teasing that this smartphone is having 7000 mAh milliampere battery, which is massive battery and in best in leading segment. Till now no other companies rather than Samsung has provided this type of biggest battery, massive battery. Realme has provided 6000 mAh battery, Asus has provided 5000 mAh battery, so around 7000 mAh battery is really monstrous battery. So I was really obsessed that definitely I'll purchase this smartphone and I'll review, I'll test it. So guys, I was using this smartphone from last 12 hours and really I'm impressed, totally impressed, standout performance. When this smartphone came on my hand, there's a battery some around 90%, and right now it is showing some around 53%. So very good battery backup. So I must say that if you are looking for a phone within 25,000 of a range, there are three options available. First is Realme 7 Pro. You'll get that smartphone around 21,000 rupees, 8GB RAM variant 128, and another smartphone is Samsung Galaxy M51. You will get it 25,000 variant, you will get it 6GB 128GB RAM, and in 27,000 you will get 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. I am having 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. I purchased it in 22,000 by exchanging it my old smartphone. So first of all, let me talk about specifications. So this smartphone comes with 6.7-inch Super AMOLED plus Infinity O panel, a really great panel from Samsung, and Samsung company knows very well for its Super AMOLED technology and Super AMOLED panels. And apart of that, this smartphone is having 7000 mAh monstrous battery with super charge out of the box, and this charger is 25-watt charger. Samsung claims that you can charge a smartphone within 2 hours, 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 55 minutes. So we will test that. I not test yet because still it is 50% in my smartphone. And another major feature of this charger is both the sides is having USB Type-C. Now what is the feature why you are getting this USB Type-C port? Because this smartphone supports reverse charging. If I am having any secondary driver with me and I am running very less battery in that, so I can charge that smartphone from this. So this Samsung M51 also you can use as a power bank. So really it's a good feature, and almost it is having 7000 mAh battery, so you can use it till 2.5 days for a normal user. And And if you're a moderate user, then you can use it till 1.5 days. And if you're a heavy user like me, then definitely it will last for 10 hours a day, which is a very good battery backup. If I tell you about Samsung M series, we had seen that Samsung M31s, which was launched 2 months back. And in M31s, we used to get that Exynos 961 processor, which is really very cheap processor from Samsung. It's okay if you are using for it daily multitasking, then it will run smoothly. But if you are playing PUBG and if you are editing your videos or anything else, then that smartphone start lagging. But more or less with M51 they had sort out all those issues, because consumers from using Samsung mobiles, they are complaining a lot that this time they need Qualcomm Snapdragon processor in this upcoming Samsung M51 series smartphone. And definitely Samsung had provided it. Samsung had provided this time Samsung had provided this time Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset, which is a best chipset at now, I must say, within 25,000. You can perform any type of games, you can watch any type of videos, heavy multitasking, you will not face any problems at all. And apart of that, in this smartphone Samsung had provided quad camera setup. So initial lens is of 64 megapixel, and then you are having 12 megapixel of ultra wide lens, and then 5 megapixel of macro and 5 megapixel of depth sensor. So sensor in this smartphone is really good, and which is Sony's IMX682 sensor. So smartphone is of Samsung but camera is of Sony. So combination of the UI makes this smartphone camera optimized very excellently. And speaking about this rear camera, I just told you that it is 64 megapixel, and front camera is selfie camera is of 32 megapixel. So basically, if you are searching for a good smartphone having a good battery backup, then Samsung M51 is a good choice for you. And if you want a big screen smartphone but in a compact form factor, then M51 is for you. It is having 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O panel, and it is also having a good second generation camera setup, which is of 64 megapixel and selfie of 32 megapixel. So overall it's a good combination. It also has 3.5mm jack. In OnePlus Nord you are not getting that 3.5mm jack, so you need to use converter for that. But it is not a ergonomic design, I must say that. And if your budget is low, then you can go for Realme 7 Pro. But camera used in Realme 7 Pro and camera applied in this smartphone Samsung M51, both are the same, but output is much better in Samsung M51. So I will recommend you to buy Samsung M51. Generally I never recommend to buy Samsung smartphones, but this time Samsung has really nailed it. Every smartphone leading brand among 20 to 25,000 range. So overall it's a good smartphone. It's provided a good battery backup. Every time I used to keep my Bluetooth on, because I connect this my OnePlus Bluetooth earphones and my this smart band. So using another device with that and with always on display feature, this smartphone provide me some around 12 hours of battery backup, and still it is 51% showing on. So really a monstrous battery in that Samsung has nailed this time. Everybody, I must say, then definitely I'll recommend you this smartphone. You can go and check out on Amazon, you will get it. So guys, this is a video, nothing more special in this, because I missed that unboxing part. That's why I did a small review of this smartphone. So right now, within 25,000, I must say Samsung M51 is a best smartphone, giving a best camera quality, best camera output, best video output. So you can check it out on Amazon.com. So guys, if you like this video, then please share with your friends. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my further videos very soon. So guys, that's all for the day. Now I'm signing off. We'll meet you soon in the next upcoming video. So guys, this is Nirav Shah signing off. Jai Hind.